Mm, Good morning, class third. Today we have started a new chapter that is the birds, food and more. And this is your chapter number 5th, birds, food and the more. In this chapter we have learned about the birds, their parts of body and their different modes, they whatever they have eat, and that's all. Here I have mentioned that picture, it is the bird, and here the different body parts of a bird have a wings and a body covered with the feathers, and it makes them different from other animals. All the birds cannot look same. They differ in a size and a color, and the birds such as pigeon, crow, sparrow, hen and the parrot are commonly seen in our surroundings. And today we have learned the different parts of a bird, body parts of a bird. A bird has a beak, two wings, feathers, two eyes, two ears, two legs, and a tail. Eyes. A bird has two eyes. Flesh eating birds have sharp eyesights to find the food. Again, I have repeated. Eyes. A bird has two eyes, and flesh eating birds have sharp eyesight to find the food. And second part one is the ear. Birds do not have external ears. They have two teeny spots covered with their skins which help them to hear, and the ears are located behind the eyes. Again, I have repeated ears. Birds do not have external ears. They have two teeny spots covered with thin skin which help them to hear, and the ears are located behind the eyes. Next one is the beak. This one is the beak portion. A bird has a beak. Birds do not have teeth. They have beak, and they use the beak is useful to the birds in a many ways. First one is the birds breathe through the tiny opening on its beak. Example are parrots. There are a tiny opening in their beaks, and the birds breathe through the tiny opening. And the second useful to pick up and break into the tiny bits and feed their young ones. Again, I have repeated, to pick up food and break it into the tiny bits and to feed our young ones. Here I have mentioned different types of the beak for some birds: eagle, vulture, kingfisher, woodpecker, sparrow, duck. And for pinning means cleaning and the combining feathers with the beaks to protect themselves and build their nest. And beak of the different birds are the different, and the shape and the size of a beaks depend on types of food they eat. First I have mentioned for the eagle. It is the flesh eating bird. It is a flesh eating bird, eagle. And the vulture has a strong and a sharp beak. Here it is a sharp beak which is shaped like a hook. It helps to tear the flesh. And next bird, it is a kingfisher. It has the pelican have long and scissor like beak for catching a small fish. Okay, then class, today I have bundle session here, and tomorrow again we have start that point, the beaks of a different birds and the different shape and the size. Today's your homework for that, draw the picture of a bird and mention the body parts of a bird. Again I have repeated your question. Draw the picture of a different body parts of a bird. Okay, then thank you class, and we have meet in your next video.